Dear brothers and sisters, I hope you're doing well. Why I am into buy? Price has successfully passed nearest resistance area. So in this case, we can use Fibonacci retracement to find entry area. 100 level to resistance and 0 level to shadow like this. After installing Fibonacci, this area is our first entry point where price already in. My second reason is here we have CSAC re-entry sell at moving average 510 high. So price has to come first to this area before it continue drop. Now I'm already in floating loss. This account capital is only $15. Let's see what will happen to this setup after few hours. Market has reacted well to our setup. I have managed to grow this account by 250 times. Price reacted almost by 100 pips.